to show you what it's like rolling in. And I don't know, it's going to be crowded. It's a double. So we got a division race, division 2 race, and an open. So you can get your 2 grade points if you need it for next year, which is pretty much why I'm here. Not a bad ride. It's about 600 miles from Selma, North Carolina. And yeah, so we'll just do the drive-in like I normally do, and then we'll kind of ride through the pits and just show you what Orlando's like for guys that have never been to Orlando, out west, guys who are out west, or even the Northeast guys, Midwest guys. So, yep. I don't know. Like I said, I don't know if it's how crowded it's going to be here. Here. Pick a spot, I guess. Huh. Wonder where we can park. What's soft, what's not. Hopefully somebody's around here. So, who knows where we can park. Alright, we'll just go this way, I guess. Right in here. Alright guys, I didn't talk much. I'm just trying to figure out my parking, and I guess you just park where you want to park. So I'm parked, and unless somebody chases me out of here, but let's just see me move the camera around a little bit. So basically that's it, guys. We're at the end of the track, or kind of the end of the track, and yeah, I guess that's it. Maybe this guy will come up, and I don't know if it's good or not, but we'll see. Alright guys, we'll be back. Alright guys, let's ride through the pits of Orlando Speedway. I haven't been here, like I said, in about, gotta be 12 years. Just trying to think when. But it's not a real big track, so it kind of looks crowded. But, and maybe it is, who knows. And, you know, all the pavement parking is taken, but that's okay. I like parking on the grass. You can run the generator, it's a lot quieter. But yeah. Okay, so there's Dave Lay. I need to go check with him. But yeah, Marion Stevenson. So
I got
it. Division, oh okay, it's Shane Oakes. I'll stop by and say hello to him. And I don't know a lot of Division 2 cars, so, but I guess I'll get to know them eventually, since I'm a Division kind of 2 guy now, even though I claim a Division 1. So, Ewing, I haven't seen him in a while. He seems like he's starting to race again. Alright, so this is basically the pavement. There's not much pavement at Orlando. It kind of reminds me of Delaware, US 13. I think this is mostly for the comp pits, or Roy Hill's car. I don't know. Maybe I don't know who bought them. Or maybe Roy's still racing. I don't know. Don't know, guys. I'm going to take a quick ride up to the track, and then we'll kind of ride back. But that's kind of it for the pits. That's it. Here's the staging lanes, folks. So I know Jeff Taylor, I think Atkins is, I don't know if he sold the car, Atkins, or not. I don't know. I just can't keep up with it all. But he, you know, that was Willie. So maybe Atkins is still driving it. Yes. So, all right. So this is the pits, and the pits. This is the staging lanes. I'm brain dead, guys. Sorry. I didn't even. It's not like I was driving for hours and hours and hours. Just a couple hours. Stopped overnight, but you know. So that's the track. And all right, guys, we'll be back with the video all done, and I hope you enjoyed it. And I'll talk to you guys soon.